Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. This is my Thrifty Tuesday video where I show you my thrifted treasures from the past week. So I didn't do a lot of thrifting this week. I think I went to one thrift store where I bought a few things, and then I have a few other things to show you that were free. So first of all, let me show you just a few things. This will be a quick video. So I got this lace here. I don't find lace very much or trims very often. There's these little pins in here like this, holding this on. I think this is the only ones I have like this, but I've seen them before. I just have never, see these? Yeah, I've never had any of those, I don't think. But now I do. I've got two. Anyway, this was really pretty lace. There's quite a bit on here. Does it say how many yards? 10 yards it says. And it looks like it maybe is just about all on here, but it's a pretty like, I'm trying to see if this is yellow. It's kind of like an ecru, or, yeah, it's more like a cream ecru or a very, very light yellow. Anyway, very pretty, and you can see it's wide this way. And I could actually, what I've done before with lace sometimes is like I could actually cut this in half if I needed a thinner piece and I wanted to use this. I could cut it right down the middle and have two, you know, little pieces of lace like 1 inch wide. So really pretty. The design on here is just like flowers. Can you see that? It's just like floral. So really, really pretty. That, and then I got these stickers, or found these. They say Life's Journey, Clearly Yours. They're very vintage looking. They have words on them, like they say best, always happy, family, secrets, bright, love, treasures. So let's see. Oh, cool, very neat. Okay, so they're kind of a tannish with a brown word or a black word, and they are stickers. And here's one right here. This one says, what does that say, messages? Anyway, I think that they're pretty cute. I would probably use some glue. They're kind of a almost flexible kind of little plastic with a sticker on the back, but I would probably use glue on them for whatever I use them on to make sure they're going to stick down. Probably some Fabri-Tac on those. They're not heavy, but they're just something I would want to make sure is going to not move once I put it somewhere. So I would use Fabri-Tac to glue those down on just whatever I use them on. And I found this trim on the same day. I couldn't believe it. Originally from Kmart, 77. Well, this says 77 cents. This says 89 cents. I like the little packaging, vintage packaging label here. And this is very tightly wrapped, so I don't think I'm going to be able to get it off right now. But you can pretty much see it's a wide trim, white with a gold pattern on it. Sorry for any glare, but trying to get it to where you can see it. I think you can see it at that angle. Very pretty little like medallions and a design there. And it's a thick, probably, let's see, it says, trying to see what it's made out of, but just 100% cotton, yeah, so, and it was 49 cents, so pretty cool. Does it say how much is in here? 1 yard, so that's awesome, right? 1 yard goes a long way in a junk journal world. This is the second one of these little cookbooks or recipe books that I found. I just love the size, and so I'm definitely going to have to, now that I have two of them, I'm going to have to definitely make a little journal soon, but I love these little long narrow pages, and the cover is very cool. This one looks like it has Cornish hens or chicken on the front, but anyway, I love it. And then that's, oh, one more thing that I purchased was, this is for Jovi, I hope you're watching. She wears hats, and fun hats and pretty hats, and I told her I loved her hats, and she said, well, you should get one. And I used to wear hats. I've worn all types of hats, pretty straw hats with ribbons and I used to wear kind of fancy hats. I remember in my 20s I had a black, really beautiful black hat, and hats were in style then. And then a few years ago, quite a few, probably about 10 years ago now or so, I had a straw cowboy hat that I wore to a picnic, I remember. That was fun. And so I found this one after she encouraged me to go ahead and get one. It's a little black hat. You see it has a rim and a little silk trim here, kind of a cougar looking trim. And I don't know if I'll ever wear it in public, but I might just wear it around the house for fun. My husband wears hats, and he said, you can't wear that hat at the same time as me, because we'll look like a couple of weirdos with our, like the happy hat couple walking through Walmart or something, so, or wherever we are. Maybe when we're in another state where no one knows us, we'll wear our hats. But anyway, that is my cute little hat that I got. So I hope you like it, Jovi. And then I guess you could call these thrifted items, because they really were. I know there's another one I got that I have at work that I showed in a video and during my lunchtime crafting, which I haven't published that video yet. So this one's going to actually be published before that one. But these are two more that I received. I saw an ad on Facebook for a free seed catalog. And I thought, well, that could be cool for junk journaling, you know. Seed catalogs have all kind of gardening type things and flowers. So I saw that one and I ordered, and that one was, can't think of it right now, but I have it at work. But this one is Botanical Interest Seed Catalog. And you can see even the front cover has got some pretty flowers on it. There's, of course, vegetables and flowers in here. But, I mean, some of this could be used. I mean, that pretty picture right there with the seed packets could be used. And then, look, here's a pretty little label here with a butterfly on it. Here's an order form. Look at this order form with the florals in the background. Can you see that? I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's an order form with pretty pastel flowers right there. And then just look at this. Gorgeous, pretty pages of all kinds of beautiful flowers. I mean, nice small pictures in this one that can be cut out and used. So there's flowers back here. I really love these seed packet pictures, like right here and right here with the little butterflies on them. That could be a nice little, you know, fussy cut that out, and a nice little maybe back it up with something to make it a little stronger, but a nice little tuck spot, or, you know, decorative collage spot. So all kinds of pretty flowers. I just wanted to show you in case you have a chance and you need some florals and you like this type of thing. These are free. This was free, so you can get yourself some, especially this time of year when spring is happening pretty soon. If it hasn't happened in your area, people are getting ready to plant their gardens, so these seed companies are advertising their catalogs, and so you can get some pretty, you know, for a gardening journal, just pretty little images here. Just really nice. And some of these could be used in fall. Here's some squash type gourds and things like that. The little green pumpkins here. They're actually winter squash, but they're super cute. That would be a super cute little image right there in a fall journal. Like, they look like green pumpkins to me. So let's see what else. Oh, and here's the actual pumpkins over here. Isn't this adorable? Look at that. All those pumpkins, and they have jack-o'-lanterns on their faces. On their jack-o'-lantern faces on their pumpkins, all ready to go. So super cute. Lots of gardening journal type pictures. So that's this one, the Botanical Interest Seed Catalog, www.botanicalinterest.com. So, and then this one, I don't remember ordering this one. I mean, maybe once you start ordering them, they just start coming in the mail. You know how that works. When you get one catalog, you get 20. So I got this one today. Sow True Seed 2020 Planting and Seed Saving Guide. Let's see. I'm just trying to see where it came from. If there's a website. But anyway, let's see what it looks like. sowtrueseed.com. Okay, so that's, it says sow, S-O-W, true, T-R-U-E, seed, you know, .com. So pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. I haven't really looked at this one. Some charts here with some pretty flowers underneath, little pictures of flowers with a little name on it, so that could be cute. Could almost make some little postage stamps out of those. What else is in here? Lots of little pictures. That's cool. Those are great for making faux postage stamps or just using in a collage. All these little, some of these little pictures can be used in your little, in a little gardening journal, or if there's pumpkins and things, you know, for fall. So this was not quite as great as the other one, but here's a pretty little flower on the front right there. But I'm sure there's some things in here to be used, you know. Oh, I just saw a bunch of pretty pictures. The back has the flowers in here. That's the really pretty pictures. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you about the free resource of seed catalogs also. So don't forget about that if you need some botanical, you know, images. So thanks for watching tonight. Like I said, it was a short one. I'm going to be working on a journal this week, so I'll be posting some videos about that. So just don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get those notifications. Thanks for watching and have a great night.